Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Odyssey key fob here. It works for these models 2005, 2010, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2025, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn the fob like this to the bottom, and when you turn it right here between these two pieces, you see right here, you see a small hole like this over here. And right in this small hole, insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right here. See, right here, you need to insert the tip right here and now twist it a little bit, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this one and this one. And when you do that, right after that, here you see a dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip right here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery like this. And also make sure this here is the positive side that facing up. So this here is very important. And now when you place your new battery here with the positive side facing up, take these two pieces again, make sure align them perfectly and just snap them together just like this here. And when you snap them together, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.